Hello everyone, it's Nomad Flair here and welcome back to another video. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech Combo Touch keyboard. I'll be using the Combo Touch alongside my iPad Pro 11-inch. The Combo Touch is also available in the 12.9-inch version. Links to both sizes can be found down below. When shopping for an iPad keyboard, I knew that there were certain things that I needed, such as a trackpad, also being able to use the keyboard at different angles, and being able to adjust the brightness and sound from the keyboard. The Apple Magic Keyboard was of course the first product I looked into, but it became apparent to me from the get-go that I don't want to be spending a hefty sum on an iPad keyboard, which retails for around £280. Then I looked at a few budget keyboards on Amazon and I was not satisfied at the functionality, the aesthetics and the reviews. I then stumbled upon the Logitech range, which gave me two options, the Combo Touch or the Folio Touch. So I did my research into the two. The Combo Touch had a larger trackpad sitting at 4.5 inches width-wise, whereas the Folio sits at 3.5 inches. Currently on Amazon, the Combo Touch is going for around £116 and the Folio is going for £129.99. With all of this in mind, I decided to place an order for the Logitech Combo Touch. And here it is guys, we will start off by unboxing the product and then discussing the features and whether the Logitech Combo is a must-have or not. This is the Logitech Combo Touch for the iPad Pro 11-inch, which supports first, second and third generation. It states that the keyboard is backlight compatible with a high precision trackpad. Lastly, this includes a smart connector which does not require Bluetooth pairing or charging, but more on that later on in the video. At the back of the box, it shows you the different viewing angles the iPads can be placed into to suit your productivity or entertainment needs. The keyboard comes in one color option, which is the fabric grey, which feels nice on the hands. On the second half of the keyboard, you have the Logitech logo at the back and the camera cutout at the top left hand corner of the case. The instructions manual shows you how to alter the keyboard into different viewing angles. When placing the keyboard into the case, make sure all the corners are lined up and press on each side to make sure it clicks into place. The camera cutout looks perfect, so the camera footage won't be interfered with whatsoever. At the back of the case, you can find the movable flap which allows the iPad to remain balanced when placed on a stable surface. When attaching the case onto the keyboard for the first time, you are asked to download the Logitech Control app from the App Store in order for the keyboard to be fully functional. I keep the notification option turned on just so I can be notified on any future updates. The fabric finish is just perfect as this prevents any fingerprints or finger oils from ruining the aesthetic look of the keyboard. The keyboard is thin and light, so it can be carried at ease in your hands when going to work, school, etc. The case is detachable from the keyboard, which makes it so practical and portable, as this can be used at ease when in bed watching a YouTube video or editing videos. The 360 rubber material provides the iPad with excellent protection against drops or when being placed on a hard surface. This really gives me peace of mind. The iPad fits nice and snug and supports first, second and third generation iPad Pros. If you're ever in doubt about your iPad Pro not being compatible, just check the model number at the back to see if it's listed on the Logitech website. At the top of the case you can find the Apple Pencil cutout which magnetically attaches to your iPad. I would have preferred there to be a flap to provide extra security so the Apple Pencil doesn't detach accidentally when coming into contact with another object. However, I just need to be cautious with this. Logitech fully utilizes the smart connector on the keyboard, as this allows you to power up and pair the keyboard to the iPad without having to use Bluetooth or to charge the keyboard. The Logitech Combo Touch can be used in 4 different modes, which is Type Mode, View Mode, Sketch Mode and Read Mode, which gives me great flexibility to use my iPad as a laptop or a tablet. As mentioned already, having the ability to detach the case from the keyboard gives me great flexibility, as this is something that cannot be done on the Apple Magic Keyboard. Diving further into the keyboard, this includes, as mentioned earlier, a very good sized trackpad which is responsive and can accommodate any size hands, even big ones. The buttons have good travel when pressed, which is essential to reduce finger fatigue and have a nice sound to them. The keys also have backlights which allows you to type in the dark at ease. The backlight can be adjusted to your preference by pressing the backlight key button at the top of the keyboard. Screen brightness can also be adjusted from the keyboard, which is very convenient. Lastly, the volume can also be adjusted by using the volume keybinds. And at the bottom of the case you can find the USB-C cutout and the audio cutouts. Another keybind which I found to be handy is the lock screen. Pressing this will lock the iPad, pressing it again will unlock the iPad, which is very convenient. Something which I found to be a bit of a downer is trying to use the keyboard on my lap when sitting on the sofa. It tends to be uncomfortable and unsteady due to the flap. Therefore, I tend to place a pillow underneath, which solves the issue. So the question is, do I recommend the Logitech Combo Touch for iPad 11-inch or 12.9-inch users? Absolutely. I personally think this is a must-have accessory for every iPad user, as this will significantly enhance your iPad user experience. If you use the iPad for productivity, then having a fully functional keyboard will definitely beat the on-screen touch keyboard, as this tends to be less responsive and overall less productive. Having the ability to detach the keyboard while still ensuring your iPad is protected from behind gives me peace of mind. As the Combo Touch does tend to be sold at a reduced price on Amazon, I highly recommend you pick one up as soon as possible. I've left the link down in the description below for you to use. So guys, if you made it this far in the video, I just wanted to say a big thank you for sticking around. Do leave a comment stating Combo Touch below so I know how many of my viewers enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, do let me know down in the comment section below. I would appreciate if you can like, subscribe and turn notifications on so you won't miss my next upload, guys. And until next time, take care.